Hey you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the new latest cases from SUPCASE. By the way, I'd like to give a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive into it and see what kind of case. Go ahead and start with this one first. So this one is the Unicorn Beetle Pro by SUPCASE, and it has a military drop test standard. So this one is the Steam Deck UB Pro ruby color. And here's the installation guide. Just make sure you have the right orientation, and then just slide into it from the bottom, and then make sure you sit in properly and push in. And this is the removal right here. So make sure you pry off from the top section and then push upward to remove it. Wow, this nice ruby red color. And you have the kickstand right here. Nice. And there's a SUPCASE branding right here. It's a carbon fiber look. The top bar right here, and also by the palm, left and right hand side. Actually, your finger. It's a plus minus volume rocker right here. Cut out opening holes. And then your power switch right here. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. So this one's the Unicorn Beetle. And this one's for the Galaxy Watch 5. $45mm, 2 pieces. So yeah, come with the cleaning wipes, LCD, microfiber cleaning cloth as well. Oh, come with the glass protector. Just peel this off and then put on your watch. So mine's 46, so. Wow. Carbon fiber looks. Your buttons. Actually come with the 2 of the glass protector. Go and check out this one. And this one's the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This one's the Fitbit 2022 Versa 4 Sensa UB Pro black color. And it is made in China. Again, you got a carbon fiber logo right here on the left and then right hand side. It's a button right here. And you got the SUPCASE branding. UB Pro. The bell, there's a watch band buckle right there. Wow, nice. Go and check out the next one. Unicorn Beetle Pro. This one's the Galaxy 2022, A as in Apple 23 UB Pro, SB Black. Yeah, I like this rotating belt clip, which is allow you to rotate 360 degree. So you could clip it horizontal or vertically, depending on how you like it. So this one has a screen protector right here. It's a fingerprint scanning, volume up and down rocker. Your color opening for your camera setup, carbon fiber looks, and this one has a bifold kickstand, horizontal or vertical. And good thing about this, you have this filer rubber non-slip on the backing. So when you put it on the desk, it doesn't slide, it stays in place. Got the microphone color right there on the top section. And you got a flip down right here. A speed 3.5mm jack. And then your USB Type-C charging port right there. Your another microphone hole right there and your speaker grill. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you guys could check them out. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.